Hey there, I'm glad you're here. If you're watching this, it probably means you're dealing with an older heating system, rising energy bills, or you're just trying to figure out what makes sense for your home and not get sold something you don't need. So I wanted to take a minute and personally welcome you and explain who we are, how we work, and what you can expect from us. One thing you should know about our team is this: we care and we're trained to prove it. We don't rush installs, we don't cut corners, and we don't treat your home like a rushed job site. Our technicians are factory trained to properly size and install systems, which sounds basic, but surprisingly, not everybody does this. And when systems aren't sized correctly, that's when homeowners deal with higher bills, uneven temperatures, and premature breakdowns. We use high-quality materials, we pay attention to the details, and we install systems the way we'd want them installed in our own homes. We also handle the entire Mass Save rebate process from start to finish. That means we help schedule your energy assessment, walk you through your financing options if needed, and help make sure rebates are applied correctly, sometimes instantly, so you're not stuck chasing paperwork or waiting months to get your money back. On top of that, we stand behind our work with extended labor warranties because doing the job right once is better than fixing it later on. So if you haven't already, the next step is simple. Click below to schedule a quick, no-pressure appointment. We'll take a look at your home, answer your questions, and help you decide what's best, even if that means doing nothing right now. Thanks for being here. We look forward to helping you stay comfortable.